one petition by Aki Senyi.
Right.
Yes.
We custom.
Yes, Aki Senyi and co, legal practitioner on behalf of Mazi and Mrs. Hyacinth Ofuelue Okoronkwo against Nigeria Police Force and Police Service Commission regarding the forceful entry, incumbrance, and illegal possession by the Nigeria Police of land belonging to Mazi and Mrs. Hyacinth Ofuelue Okoronkwo, now referred to as mopol 19.
Yeah, petitioner. Okay.
Present. My name is Akin Sheye, and I represent the petitioners in this matter.
Respondents.
Here, my name is Matilda Ogowe from Nigeria Police Force.
Okay, madam, I want you to always be serious when you are representing the police force. I want you to always be serious. You know you are my friend. Please be serious on this matter.
We have a petition before you regarding the mopol 19 barracks in Port Harcourt, which the police has forcefully taken over since the year 2000. And all efforts to get them to relinquish the lands have been to no avail. Also, we have made concerted efforts in the courts and gotten judgment against the police in 2005. But since then, we have not been able to do anything with that because all efforts with the police also came to nothing. In 2015, we also went to the courts to get writ of possession and writ of enforcement. But even after we got that, nothing could be done because how do you enforce against the people who are to enforce this very issue? Now, we have written severally to the IG of the police on this issue. And verifications have been carried on the land, and they have, there's even a report from the OC Legal in Port Harcourt concerning this issue, where they advise the police to settle with us. And now, we are here before this committee, asking them that this very prayer of the OC Legal should come to pass. They have stayed there for 24 years now or more. Let them settle us.
Petitioner, off your mic.
Thank you, sir.
Police, can you tell us why this settlement has not come up till now?
Mr. Chairman, these matters have been, that since 24 years ago. Yesterday, this lawyer was with our CP Legal yesterday in our office. And he told the CP Legal that this is what is going on this matter. And the CP Legal called me. He said, "Matter of this matter." I said, the former set even handled this matter with AC Aki. And so the CP Legal told that what you actually want in this matter, that he himself as a CP Legal is aware of that issue in Port Harcourt. So this is a barracks that is occupied, contain about 1,000 people. How do you expect them to vacate such people, in such barracks? He now said no. He don't ask people to vacate people occupy that place, but he asked for compensation. CP Legal now said, okay, how much are you asking? He said 2 billion.
No, it's 5 billion.
Sorry.
5 billion.
When I ask you, sir, when I ask you to speak, you can speak. For now, she has the floor.
Sorry, Chairman.
So he said that he asked for 5 billion as a compensation. So CP Legal said, okay, 5 billion, that is good, but for information, this office don't have that capacity to fight social problem. The best thing is that you have to join that to the IG direct, because he said you have the capacity to write it that this is your compensation. The best thing for you to write the IG direct saying that this is what you want because it's a civil issue. I also told you that there's a department in Nigerian Police Force that handle barracks issue. That if you go and meet that officer, then you will know how to reach, because me as a civil, not the CP Legal, we don't have that capacity. So he now said that there was a time they wrote to the IGP and whether it's the present one, the former one, I don't know, that matter he referred to the CP River State Command. Then the IG told him that he should go and investigate what the matter is all about. So he said that he actually went to CP in Port Harcourt in River State Command, and they fixed dates when they will meet, that since then you have because the CP, that the CP has not been responding. So as CP Laga now said, you are the one looking for a solution to your problem. Forget about court. Why can't you go there direct, fill form, and say they want to see the CP? At least, if by the time you go to 2 or 3 times, and you'll be able to see because it's a busy person.
Counsel, off your mic. The petitioner doesn't need to go and meet CP on this matter. Listen, this matter has been lingering for almost 20-something years. What I expect, the matter is before the committee. The committee will take a decisive decision on this matter. And what I will tell the petitioner, you can't be asking for money when there is no valuation. They must value what is on ground for you to be able to know what you should be asking for. So, I don't know, you want to say something? Don't worry, I'm coming.
There is actually a valuation report.
No, listen now, listen. You can't be doing an independent valuation to give to government. It doesn't work. Government works on budget. If there is a valuation that you carry them along, they will be able to impute it in the budget, either in 2024, because they can't pay you now. That is the reality on ground. If they are paying you with 2025 budget, they have to impute it in the 2025 budget. So the only thing the committee will do now, as we speak for now, first is to investigate whether the land is actually his land. First. And secondly, if they report back to us that it's actually his land, we can now order for valuation, since he is asking for compensation. So we order the office of the IG to investigate this matter and report back to us in 2 weeks' time.